Here are 8 best healthiest sugar alternatives. It's a fact that humans love sweet things. Even before we started refining sugar, we craved foods with a sweet taste. We all know that refined sugar is bad for us, that is why here is info found on 8 healthy sugar alternatives. 1. Jaggery. We all know that jaggery is a natural form of sugar substitute derived from sugar cane. Owing to its unrefined form, it is a powerhouse of essential vitamins, minerals, irons and antioxidants. Having a small piece of jaggery after your meal activates your digestive enzymes. It is great for an anemic patient as well as it increases haemoglobin levels in your body. It is beneficial especially during the winter season as it wards off the effects of cough, cold and flu like magic. 2. Raw honey. Due to the high level of fructose, honey is sweeter than refined sugar, which clearly means a lesser amount of honey is needed for the same dish. Honey can be stirred with tea or spread over the toast. It can be a great substitute to white cane sugar for your full-flavored bakes, hot drinks and sauces. A lot of nutrients are lost during the standard processing of honey. Raw honey consists of flavonoids, which means it is packed with antioxidants and has several antiviral and antibacterial properties. 3. Dates. There is a compelling reason why dates have been a favorite since ancient times. They contain a lot of magnesium, vitamin B6, potassium, copper, manganese and iron. The consumption of dates can reduce cholesterol level in the blood, and help in the absorption of carbohydrates, fats and proteins. Dates reduce the risk of stroke and are easily digestible. 4. Banana puree. Bananas are rich in fiber and potassium and a good source of vitamins B6 and C. They are also naturally sweet with a subtle flavor, making them a perfect natural sweetener. 5. Coconut sugar. Most people have heard about the benefits of coconut water, coconut milk, coconut flour and, of course, fresh coconut. Now, more and more people are using coconut sugar as their natural sweetener of choice because of its low glycemic load and rich mineral content. Packed with polyphenols, iron, zinc, calcium, potassium, antioxidants, phosphorus and other phytonutrients, coconut sugar is versatile and now readily available. 6. Maple syrup. Are you the one who orders maple syrup pancakes for your breakfast? Maple syrup is one of the best alternatives to white sugar and quite unprocessed in its extraction. With powerful antioxidants and vitamins and minerals, maple syrup can be used for a variety of sweets, ranging from donut ice creams to savories like salmon and pork. You can use it in your lemonades, tea, salad dressings and smoothies to reap its health benefits to the fullest. 7. Stevia. This plant has been used as a natural sweetener in beverages for centuries. The sweetener is extracted from the plant's leaves. It is capable of supporting weight loss. It is so strong that it is considered to be about 200 times sweeter than sugar and can be used in the form of liquid droplets, baking mixes, sachets, as well as dissolvable tablets. It also has no side effects, calories or carbohydrates. 8. Monk fruit. One of the most popular sugar substitutes for low-carb dieters is monk fruit. Monk fruit contains compounds that, when extracted, provide 300 to 400 times the sweetness of cane sugar, but monk fruit sugar contains no calories and has no effect on blood sugar. Next time you find yourself in a dilemma where you need to choose between controlling diabetes or enjoying sweets, choose both with any of the above-mentioned alternatives in a restricted manner and in limited quantities. Make smart choices and live a healthy and safe life. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe our channel for more such videos.